Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back again in my kitchen because I have another delicious recipe. This time I'm going to make a cinnamon roll smoothie, which requires a couple of ingredients. First of all, you need 1 container of vanilla yogurt. You will need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and you need some milk, about a cup of milk, and then you will also need 1 banana. So once you have all your ingredients, you are going to put them into your blender. So I'm going to start off with my banana and just break it up into little pieces. And another thing, if you want to add some ice, you can add some ice to your smoothie just to make it really nice and chill. That's optional. You don't have to put ice if you don't want to. But today I am going to put some ice in there, so it'll be nice and cold when you decide to drink it. So now I'm adding my 1 teaspoon of cinnamon into the blender, and then I am going to add my milk. You can use non-fat milk, low fat, or just the regular milk, and just pour it into the blender. And then I'm going to add my 1 container of vanilla yogurt. And then once you have those ingredients in your blender, and then you're going to put your ice into your blender, and then you're going to blend it all up. Make sure the ice is completely dissolved completely into your blender before you serve it. So now I am ready to pour it into my glasses. Okay, now I'm going to pour it into my glass. Oh, it smells so good. I can smell the cinnamon in there. It's really good. You should try my recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you have any other ideas when it comes down to recipes, let me know as well. And I will be seeing you here very soon because I have some more delicious recipes to share with you. And hopefully you can spread the word and share it with your friends as well. And I will see you guys soon.